recognition is something that all of us we needed, and it just helps us a step forward to do more. I think it gives you a boost of what you're doing.
It feels awesome. I feel like I've been given a superpower today. Best hair extensions brand in Asia. Sounds awesome, right? So I'm just so grateful to Ankita and Amol for always being so sweet to me.
सबसे पहले तो थैंक यू ब्रांड्स इम्पैक्ट के उन्होंने ये ऑनर दिया मुझे.
Thank you, Brand Impact, for honoring us. Thank you, jury, for selecting us. This award I dedicate to my consumers. If consumers won't like my product, I don't think I'll be standing out.
Thank you, Brands Impact, for inviting me, and this really does feel like a privilege.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our stunning and amazing chief guest who's coming up. And I want you to give her a big round of applause for the absolutely mesmerizing Vani Kapoor, everyone. Please put your hands together and welcome Vani on stage. Everyone, a louder round of applause as we get Vani Kapoor on stage. Thank you for coming here. Welcome to Brands Impact, Asia's leading brands and leaders 2024. We have a bunch of excited and accomplished leaders and brands here waiting to hear from you. How does it feel to be here?
Feels wonderful. I feel honored. Being in a room amongst Asia's finest leaders and entrepreneurs, it's just an honor, to be honest. And thank you, Brands Impact, for inviting me. And this really does feel like a privilege. I mean, I really would like to thank three incredible people, Mr. Rahul Gupta, Mr. Rohan Shah, and of course, Dr. Basant Goyal. So thank you for having me here.
To felicitate our chief guest, I'd like to invite founder of Brands Impact, Mr. Amol Monga, to please come up along with Ankita ma'am, who's already on stage. Everyone, a big round of applause for Amol and Ankita. It's time to introduce our chief jury for today's event, and it's my absolute privilege to introduce this visionary leader and pioneer in the pharmaceutical industry, and has been instrumental in driving innovation and expanding the reach of Goel Medicos, a global name in the healthcare excellence. As the chief jury for today's event, we are extremely honored to welcome the amazing Dr. Basant Goyal. Everyone, a round of applause for Dr. Basant Goyal as he comes up on stage. ब्रांड्स इम्पैक्ट की तरफ से मैं डॉक्टर बसंत गोयल को तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं. शुक्रिया सर. और आप हमारे ऑडियंस से कुछ लफ्ज कहे प्लीज.
मैं सबसे पहले तो यही कहना चाहूँगा कि आज सब लोग एक ऐसे हिस्टोरिकल प्रोग्राम में हैं. सब कहीं ना कोई इंडिया के लिए, इंडिया से ऊपर, कहीं ना कहीं भारत देश का नाम कहीं ना कहीं ऊपर कर रहा है. और उसमें एक बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन जो ब्रांड इम्पैक्ट है उसका भी है कि आज इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं. उसके बारे में जितना बोला जाए उतना कम है. वानी जी आ रही हैं, लेकिन प्रोग्राम को इतने अच्छे से ऑर्गेनाइज करना इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. और उन सब लोगों को ढूंढना, उन सब लोगों को सेलेक्ट करना और फिर हमसे उनको सेलेक्ट कराना, इट्स ए वेरी डिफिकल्ट प्रोसेस. तो मैं ऐसा समझता हूं कि वो सब लोग आज यहां पर हैं जो कहीं ना कहीं देश के प्रति मेडिकली या नॉन मेडिकली, मैं दोनों कहना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि मेडिकल में भी साथ साथ मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि मानवता भी होनी चाहिए. यदि ह्यूमैनिटी नहीं है तो हमारा मेडिकल बैकग्राउंड पे काम करना भी बेकार है. मेडिकल के साथ ह्यूमैनिटी इट्स मैंडेटरी. तो मैं ऐसा मानता हूं आज वो सारी शख्सियत यहां पर हैं जिनको कहीं ना कहीं से सिलेक्ट किया, और ये क्रेडिट ब्रांड इम्पैक्ट को जाता है जिन्होंने इसको चुना और एक इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम आज ऑर्गेनाइज करने जा रहे हैं. दूसरा, मैं कांग्रेचुलेट करना चाहता हूं उन सब लोगों को जो इसका हिस्सा हैं और कहीं ना कहीं वो कंट्री के प्रति अलग अलग कुछ करते हैं.
And And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to move into the point where I'm going to introduce to you our guest of honor for the evening. Let me give you a little introduction about him, and you're going to be mesmerized. An exceptional international athlete from Bilaspur who has proudly represented India in various global competitions. His achievements include winning gold medals at the World Cup Powerlifting Championship in Ukraine and at the International Strength Lifting and Incline Bench Press in Nepal. With a passion of both business and sports, he has continued to make our country proud, most recently winning silver and bronze medals at the 11th World Strength Lifting and Incline Bench Press Championship 2024 in Kazakhstan. Ladies and gentlemen, you know who I'm talking about, the absolutely amazing Rohan Shah, everyone. Please give him a round of applause. I'm going to request Rohan to please come up on stage. Everyone, you can do a much better round of applause for such an amazing gentleman. Welcome, Rohan.
Thank you so much.
हाथ गया मेरा. A round of applause for Rohan Shah, the strong man of India, our pride. Thank you so much for taking the time out to be here. Thank you from the bottom of Brands Impact heart for coming here. You're always special, and we love having you here. How does it feel to be here?
Oh, I'm very happy and to see you again. This is my second event with the Brand Impact. Thank you for this.
Thank you, thank you. The audience here was very excited when they got to know you're coming. So a few questions that come up at the top of my mind is, can you tell us a little bit about your journey, about how you got into this sport, which I know is not mainstream in India, but you've made a mark and the whole country is proud of you now. So tell us a little bit about how you started off.
Yeah, I started my journey when I was in 9th standard. I wanted to join Indian Army, but because of some family reason I couldn't join Indian Army. So वो जिद है उसके अंदर में, दिल के अंदर में, एक मन में कि भारत के लिए कुछ करना है. उस समय भी था और आज भी जब भी कुछ भी होता है तो आई एम ऑलवेज स्टैंडिंग फॉर माई कंट्री. एंड एक दिन अचानक जिम में करते करते एक एथलीट को करते हुए देखा, तो मैंने अपने ट्रेनर से पूछा कि वो क्या कर रहा है, वो क्यों कर रहा है. फ्रॉम देयर आई गॉट टू नो कि ये भी एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ मैं अपने इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकता हूँ. तो वहाँ से मुझे शुरुआत हुई. आई स्टार्टेड विद द डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, स्टेट लेवल, देन आई गॉट अ नेशनल, और अचानक रात को पता चलता है कि आई एम सेलेक्टेड फॉर इंटरनेशनल. एंड व्हेन आई वेंट टू फॉर द फर्स्ट कॉम्पिटिशन, इवन माई फैमिली वॉज नॉट नोइंग कि वेयर आई एम गोइंग. एंड बस मैंने बिना बताए गया और वहाँ जाके जीतने के बाद मैंने फ़ोन किया कि आई won with the 2 silver medals for India.
Wow. Thank you, बहुत धन्यवाद आपको. But before you go, I'm going to ask Amol sir to please hand over a token of our appreciation. I'd like to invite on stage our title sponsor, Mr. Rahul Gupta, his amazing introduction. State Executive Member of BJP, UP, President of Theatre and Film Association, UP, Vice President of Kalaripayattu Association, UP, Vice President of Lucknow Sarafa Association, Spokesperson of Chowk Sarafa Association, Vice President of Lucknow Vyapar Mandal, Founder and CEO of Anandi Magic World, and an amazing importer of gold and silver. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the amazing title sponsor, founder of Anandi Magic World, Mr. Rahul Gupta. Please give Rahul ji a big round of applause as he comes up on stage. एक बार राहुल जी के लिए जोर से तालियां बजानी चाहिए. Please, requesting Rahul sir to please come up on stage. Can we get a mic, please? Rahul ji, namaste. एक बार राहुल जी के लिए जोर से तालियां बजनी चाहिए. Come on everyone, please put your hands together. Sir, आनंदी मैजिक वर्ल्ड भारत के सबसे बड़ा और सबसे लोकप्रिय एडवेंचर पार्क है. उसके बारे में हमारे दर्शकों को कुछ बताएंगे प्लीज़.
आनंदी मैजिक वर्ल्ड इंडिया का बिगेस्ट वाटर पार्क, एम्यूजमेंट पार्क, एडवेंचर पार्क एंड रिजॉर्ट है. हमारे यहाँ 125 राइड्स हैं जो कि इंडिया के किसी भी वाटर पार्क में नहीं है. 100+ एडवेंचर पार्क में राइड्स हैं हमारे यहाँ जो भी किसी इंडिया किसी पार्क में नहीं है. अगर आप तीनों पार्क को मिला लेंगे तो ऐसा कोई पार्क नहीं है जहाँ पे तीनों पार्क का ऐसा कॉकटेल आपको मिलता हो. हमारे यहाँ 120 रूम्स की कैपेबिलिटी अभी है वर्तमान में, और 180 रूम्स का काम 2 या 3 मंथ में मेरा और पूरा हो जाएगा. तो
टोटल 400 रूम हो जाएगा.
300 हो जाएंगे. और हमारा लक्ष्य 1000 रूम तक बनाने का इसमें है. हमारे यहाँ 5 या 6 शादियाँ एक बार में होती हैं, और हमारा नेक्स्ट विज़न ये है कि यूपी में हम 6 वाटर पार्क और खोलें. ऑलरेडी लखनऊ में 2 हैं, यूपी में हम 6 और खोलने जा रहे हैं. एक प्रयागराज है, एक अयोध्या है और एक गोरखपुर है, इसमें प्रमुख है. और हम लोग ने पंजाब में भी एक ज़मीन ले ली है, उसके भी हम लोग वाटर पार्क हम शुरू कर चुके हैं।
अरे वाह, सब बढ़िया है। तो हर जगह वाटर पार्क देखने को मिलेगा बस।
वाटर पार्क एंड रिजॉर्ट, ताकि पूरी फैमिली आके एंजॉय कर सके।
एक बार राहुल जी के लिए जोर से तालियां बजाइए प्लीज। I'm going to ask Vani ji to please hand over a token of our appreciation to Rahul sir first. The most iconic leader in the field of astrology, and this award goes to the amazing Mr. Ajit Joshi. Please give him a big round of applause. I'm going to invite Mr. Vaibhav Joshi to come on stage and collect this award on behalf of Ajit sir.
लोगों को एक मोटिवेशन मिलता है इनके थ्रू। जब कोई नॉमिनेट होता है अवार्ड्स वगैरह, उसको नॉमिनेट करना अवार्ड्स वगैरह से उसे फेलिसिएट करते हैं, तो उसको एक अलग मोटिवेशन मिलता है। तो बहुत ही अच्छा है इनका और ये चलना चाहिए।
Best Luxury Gifting Brand of the Year, and this award goes to Divinity India. Best Web 3.0 FinTech Company of the Year, and this award goes to Payseo. Everyone, please welcome on stage the co-founder of Payseo, Mr. Bibin Babu, as he comes up. As you all know, Payseo is a user-friendly Web3 payments application that enables digital asset transactions using mobile numbers, making it accessible and easy to use. So Vani was asking me, what is Web 3.0? How do I buy Bitcoin? How do I make millions like you? So please tell us, Bibin, what is Web 3.0 और ये Bitcoin क्या है यार?
Firstly, thank you for having me here. It's generally not that common to be talking about Web3, Bitcoin, crypto, especially in our country. So thanks to Brands Impact for that. So Web3 is where you actually can create your data, read your data, and also own your data. So you basically are able to monetize and control what you own. So that's what Web3 is. One of the most popular use cases of Web3 is Bitcoin, right? Wherein you own your money. You don't need any intermediary bank to say that, hey, Bibin, you have X money in your bank. You don't need anybody in between to transfer it. You don't need to pay money to anybody to transfer it. You don't need to pay money to Visa, MasterCard to process a payment, etc., etc. So that's what Bitcoin is. That's what Web3 is.
Thank you so much, Bibin. Thank you for educating us. And the next time you're buying Bitcoin, please let us know.
Thank you.
Give him a round of applause, everyone. Bibin Babu, congratulations to you. Give her a big round of applause as I give you her introduction, because we're going to be having a nice chat with her. She's a trailblazer in education, media, publishing, and investment banking. She has demonstrated exceptional leadership and a passion for innovation. With a background in behavioral psychology, she has been recognized for her commitment to fostering creativity, educational excellence, and student well-being. This accomplished leader is none other than Managing Trustee of Priyadarshini's Group of Schools, Ms. Sarita Singh. Please give her a round of applause, everyone. Welcome, ma'am. I'm going to request you to please take a seat on that side. And please give ma'am a big, big round of applause as we get into a quick chat. So first of all, ma'am, thank you for taking the time out and coming here and being with us. So yeah, why don't you tell me, ma'am, what is your journey and how are you so inspiring to your audience?
I started at the age of 16. It was a teacher's job and all that. But then I come from a very conservative family, and also I had to actually leave house, at a very young age. But then it was with nothing, like empty hands and all. So that is where my journey started. And then I had to leave my city, my family, the comfort zone. So instead of, someone moving my cheese, I was moved from the cheese itself, because the cheese was my comfort zone. And there were a lot of struggles, a lot of roller coaster rides, but eventually I managed because there was always a purpose of life,
That's great. And you are honestly an inspiration for a lot of people. And I know that the education space, at least when you started, was a difficult place to be in. It was difficult to make an impact. But what is the plans forward now? What are you looking at doing? And what do you look at the education space in India currently as?
Education in India is very rotten, I would say. It's very rigid, very rotten. And I think when I was in school, I learned the same thing which we are teaching right now. Nothing has changed much. It's very superficial that we are doing this, holistic and all, but it's all very superficial, let me tell you that, because I think you have learned math, science or whatever in your school, but is that helping you right now?
I mean, I can count how many people are in the audience, so
That's it.
that's about what maths is doing for me.
Yeah, but I think what you must have learned is like from your struggles in
Yeah.
life, from your mother, from
Yeah.
your dad, or from your surroundings. So the life skills which are the most important for you to, be future ready, that is what the schools don't teach you. So as far as my schools are concerned, our schools are concerned, what we do is we focus on a lot of skills, emotional intelligence, social skills, and we tend to develop those skills at a very early age, because our children come from a low economic background and they are quite vulnerable. So we can mold them, they are not so much exposed to internet and social media, so we can train them in different sort of skills. So as far as teaching them malakham, lathi kathi, fire jump and all these things, rope climbing, so these are the skills we start teaching from first grade itself.
Okay, that's nice. Thank you for coming here and entertaining us and talking to us. It's great. Big round of applause for Savita ma'am. I'm going to ask Ankita, Director of Brands Impact, to please come on stage and present a small token of our appreciation. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for taking time. In our next session, I'd like to invite someone very special to join Vani on stage. We're going to have a quick chat with a very eminent personality. She is the founder of Wonderful You Psycho Solution Clinic and is renowned for addressing mental health issues without medication. Leading the national campaign Wonderful Mind Mission, she has over 5 lakh people to promote mental health awareness. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the amazing Dr. Kashika Jain. Please give her a round of applause, everyone, as she comes up on stage. Keep the applause coming, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Kashika Jain on stage. Before we start with the awards, we wanted to address an important topic, that's mental health and depression per se. So Kashika ma'am has been doing a lot of great work in this field and has helped a lot of people.
Good afternoon, everyone. And I would like to thank my dear Ankita and Amol and Dr. Basant Goel. And of course, I'm so glad that I'm sharing this stage with beautiful Vani. It's really a pleasure for me.
The pleasure's all mine.
And thank you to the entire team for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much. Although we are going to talk about depression, but I want everybody to smile. Depression is also a pandemic. वो हमारे बीच हमेशा से था, but जब कोविड आया तो कंडीशन बहुत वर्स हो गई, क्योंकि कोविड के टाइम पर इतनी अनसर्टेनिटी थी, फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस थे एंड इंटेंस पेन ऑफ लूजिंग डियर वंस. बहुत ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूज़न था क्योंकि डिफरेंट मीडियाज़ अलग अलग तरीके से जो भी समझ आ रहा था उसको स्प्रेड कर रहे थे. तो लोग बहुत अनसर्टेनिटी में थे और उसकी वजह से पैंडमिक के फर्स्ट ईयर में ही WHO ने बताया कि 25% राइज था एंग्जाइटी एंड डिप्रेशन केसेस में, जो कि बहुत मुश्किल था हैंडल करना. अगर हम यंग लोगों की बात करें तो स्कूल बंद थे, आइसोलेशन था, लेस पीयर इंटरेक्शन एंड लोनलीनेस दैट लीड्स टू होपलेसनेस, हेल्पलेसनेस, और उसकी वजह से डिप्रेशन के केसेस बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़ रहे थे. और यूनिसेफ के अकॉर्डिंग भी अबाउट 1 in 7 adolescents globally living with a mental health condition, and unfortunately anxiety and depression are leading the list. So pandemic के बाद केवल anxiety और depression के cases नहीं बढ़े हैं, और भी other disorders like anxiety disorder, especially OCD, clinic obsessions, जिसमें कि लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा हाथ धोने की एक बीमारी हो गई है. मेंटल हेल्थ ये स्टिग्मा नहीं, एक टैबू नहीं है. अभी लोग अवेयर हो रहे हैं, ओपन हो रहे हैं, इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि होलिस्टिक हेल्थ के बारे में हमें बात करनी है. इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट फिजिकल हेल्थ और मेंटल हेल्थ. होलिस्टिकली अगर हम देखें, सो वी आर नॉट ओनली बॉडी, वी आर नॉट ओनली माइंड, वी आर बॉडी माइंड, वी आर साइकोसोमेटिक. सो हमें पूरा होलिस्टिक अप्रोच के साथ ये सब करना है. सो अब वानी और बताएंगे कि बॉलीवुड का कैसा कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन और ऑल.
I feel we are all human beings at the end of the day, real people. Of course, we are seen on reel, but the reality hits us as hard as anybody else. You know, it's exactly the same. So I feel, yes, there is help that one should seek. be it counseling, be it confiding in a friend or a family member, whoever, you could possibly let your heart out. You have to meditate. You have to kind of put yourself out there, surrender, and understand and take that little first step. Having said that, I understand there are people who need medical aid and they need counseling and they need all the help of professionals. And I would just say that there is no shame in seeking help ever.
Thank you. Thank you so much. When people, like ma'am said, have achieved and are in the public eye, say such helpful words, it really helps everyone who's going through something normalize it, like you said, right? So thank you very much. And Dr. Kashika, you're doing a great job as well by helping so many people. So thank you as well. Professional help is always just a call away. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please give Dr. Kashika a big round of applause.